Alright, so here we have a prepared slide of the Paramecium caudatum. We're currently looking at this organism through the 4 times objective. And you can see that they're in abundance in the slide here. So I like using this one just because it's pretty easy to find what we're looking at in the form of these prepared slides. You can also find your own by getting some pond water and kind of parsing through that to find some of these cells, these organisms. And within these organisms, you want to go ahead and look a little further by looking through the 10-time objective. And let's go ahead and clear that up a little bit. Focus. Now, one of the biggest things to note is the cilia. This is how they move, right? They're using the cilia around their membrane to actually move through the water. This is at the 10-time objective, and we're going to move on to the 48x objective. Look how close we get there. Wow. So now you can see the different organelles. We're also going to see that there's a nucleus inside this eukaryotic cell. Remember, there's a difference between the eukaryotes and the prokaryotes. Let's see, there's one. And there's two right here. I'm going to fix this focus just a bit. As you can see, I'm going to focus back and forth to kind of show you the different dimensions within that one. Now, there's definitely better prepared slides than this one. I'm just using the current one that I had that I used in the course today. Alright.